All right, 3 minutes, the full sprint Singapore Zoo. Let's go. I step in, grab the map. Boom! Game plan set, Pathfinder route engaged. First stop, Treetops Trail. Eye level with gibbons launching like superheroes. Water below, rainforest above. Pure jungle vibes. Forest Lodge, quick breather spot, fuel up. Plan the next move. I trace the map like a treasure hunt. Today I'm seeing it all. Orangutan Island, legends of the zoo, chilling overhead on free-ranging lines, wise faces, slow motion, surprise, playtime bursts of speed, wild Africa zebras, rhinos, cheetahs on the prowl, perfect safari view without leaving Singapore, giraffes glide like living cranes, Reptopia, dim lights, bright eyes, king cobras, chameleons, geckos vanish into bark. I press close, tiny dinosaurs everywhere, butterfly aviary, doors open, color explodes, wings brush my shoulders, 30 seconds, time slows. Kids World splash pads, pony moments, little keepers in training, goats with main character energy, fragile forest, walk-in biodome, lemurs bounce by tiny frogs, giant stick insects, fruit bats hanging like umbrellas, tortoise shelter, living fossils, Aldabra giants lumber like Zen masters. I match their pace for a breath. Hunger hits. Ah Meng restaurant, quick local bite with rainforest views, refuel checkpoint. Primate Kingdom macaques, colobus leaf monkeys, each island, curious chill acrobatic. Elephants of Asia, massive, graceful, insanely smart, trunk up foot care. Positive reinforcement, respect and trust on display. Australasia, tree kangaroos, cassowaries, do not mess with birds, postcard from down under. Animal Behavior Center, behind the scenes brain gym target training, enrichment puzzles, magic of care meets science. Tram time, hop on, breeze in my face, roll past habitats, VIP fast lane reset before the show sprint. Into the Wild Show, storytelling meets conservation, I'm clapping before I realize. Splash Safari Show, sea lions with comedy timing, front row gets soaked, I dodge and cheer.